Meet a small but impressive city at the green heart of Europe. A city which has quickly and successfully let go of its old habits and adopted a new green way of thinking, adjusting to 100% sustainable future. Meet Ljubljana, our beloved green capital of Europe 2016. We are honored to have been named European Green Capital, and we are proud of the achievements that did not just earn us the title, but greatly improved the city life for all its residents and visitors alike. We take pride in our unique city and the progress we have made together with its residents and our partners. At the heart of our vision was the necessity to create a green environment that meets the needs of all generations. Ljubljana has 542 square meters of public green area per capita, meaning that every resident of Ljubljana lives within a 300-meter radius from the nearest green area. We have developed over 90 hectares of new green spaces in brownfield areas, 10 hectares in 2016. Preserved nature represents as much as 20% of Ljubljana's surface. Within our big city family, we have planted over 12,000 trees. We have set up 3 public orchids available to city residents and visitors. We have created a bee path as a learning experience enabling visitors to explore Ljubljana's beekeeping heritage and discover the significance of bees for our survival. We have changed the traffic regime on Slovenska Street, the main traffic route, which brought great improvement in local air quality. Black carbon emissions have decreased by 70% and have not risen elsewhere. Ljubljana's pedestrian and cycling area spreads over 10 hectares. The city's tap water has not undergone any treatment and people can enjoy it straight from the drinking fountains set up all across Ljubljana. There are over 100 charging stations for electric vehicles in the city of Ljubljana. We have launched the E-Urban on-call public transport service with 20 electric vehicles. Ljubljana is the first European capital to set up a 100% electric car-sharing model. In 2016, we have introduced the electric-powered train Urban, the first of its kind in the world. 38 new city buses for passenger transport are running on methane, with 68 such vehicles in total representing 30% of the whole fleet. Ljubljana is the European capital with the highest share of recycled waste and the first European capital in the Zero Waste Network. Ljubljana has been ranked among the top 100 sustainable world destinations the second time already and has received the Golden Apple Award, considered as the Oscar of tourism. Ljubljana has received the Tourism for Tomorrow Award 2015, given out by the international organization World Travel and Tourism Council. We are among the first in the world to process Japanese knotweed, an invasive plant species, into paper used in the production of notebooks and paper bags. At the heart of our green progress are the people, infusing the city with their aspiration and inspiration. We are aware that only by working hand in hand can we reach the set objectives, encouraging green ideas, solutions, and individuals pushing us forward. We have presented the European Green Capital through the eyes and minds of chosen ambassadors from Ljubljana. We have launched the Green Year with a special interactive installation. Using the green heart, people in Ljubljana could share the sound of their hearts beating for Ljubljana. To bring the title European Green Capital even closer to the residents of Ljubljana, we also set up a Green Capital Information Office in the city center. The green vibe was shared with all generations in all district authorities. Celebrating the flattering title European Green Capital with all our dear citizens, from children to the elderly, bringing together local businesses and companies, sports, cultural and other institutions into a big green family, spreading the word offline and online. And we also celebrated in the company of renowned local and foreign guests. The future is green. We will continue to design, develop and live green. and Ljubljana will continue to serve as our green capital. For us, for all, forever.
Spoštovane gospe in gospodje, drage meščanke in meščani Essnu, iskrene čestitke ob izjemni pridobitvi, ob tem, da ste postali zelena prestolnica Evrope 2017. To je najvišja nagrada, ki lahko mesto dobi, in nagrada, ki pomeni, da lahko ta planet preživi pod pogojem, da vsa mesta na svetu sprejmejo pravila zelenih prestolnic. Žal mi je, da nisem z vami, ampak verjamem, da boste v tem slavnostnem letu uživali v svojem lepem mestu, bili ponosni na nagrado, kajti zelena prestolnica Evrope tudi s predajo zastave ne preneha delovati po sistemu zelene prestolnice. Mi, meščani in meščanke Ljubljane, živimo zeleno prestolnico Evrope in smo prepričani, da je pot, ki smo jo ubrali, prava pot in pot, ki rešuje tako kvaliteto življenja za današnje prebivalce, kot tudi za naše zanamce. Naša odgovornost do naših vnukov, pravnukov je ravno v tem, da jim ohranimo to naravo tako lepo, kot jo uživamo mi. Srečno!